Class 12th Commerce, Subject Accountancy, Chapter number 1, Financial Statements of a Company. See, I gave you assignment. Here are the answers of those assignment, of that assignment. Answer number 1. All the items which you will write in inventory, they are raw materials, work in progress, finished goods. Stock in trade in respect of goods required for trading. 5th number, stores and spares. 6th number, loose tools. Answer number 2. Following are the parts of cash and cash equivalents. 1. Balance with banks. 2nd number, checks, drafts on hand. 3rd number, others, nature to be specified. 4th number, earmarked balances with bank. Accounting treatment not to be evaluated. Accounting treatment आपसे नहीं पूछा जाएगा, but it will be asked कि ये item आपको कहाँ पे लिखना है. 5th number, balance with banks held as margin money or security against the borrowings, guarantees, other commitments. Again listen, accounting treatment not to be asked, not to be evaluated. 6th number, bank deposits with more than 12 months maturity. Accounting treatment not to be asked. Answer number 3rd. Following are OCA. OCA means other current assets. Prepaid expense. First number, prepaid expenses. 2nd number, accrued incomes. 3rd number, advance taxes, means tax paid in advance. 4th number, dividend receivable. Accounting treatment नहीं पूछा जाएगा. Accounting treatment not to be evaluated. 5th number, unamortized expenses or losses to be written off within 12 months from the date of balance sheet and period of operating cycle. Again listen, accounting treatment will not be asked. Accounting treatment not to be evaluated. Answer number 4. What do you mean by current liability? Contingent liabilities. What do you mean by contingent liabilities? Contingent liabilities are those liabilities which may or may not arise because they are dependent on the happening of an event in the near future. Contingent liability is not recorded in the books of accounts, but it is disclosed in the notes to accounts for the information to the users. ये भगवान इसमें राधे कृष्णा भी ऐड हो गए. Point number 3rd, estimated amount of contracts remaining to be executed on capital account and not provided for. See, some amount has been estimated. Execution on capital account means some capital expenditure which is to be done, but the money has not been provided. अभी पैसा नहीं दिया है. 4th number, other commitments like arrears of dividend on cumulative preference shares. Answer number 6 में आपको main headings, sub headings बताना था. It is answer number 6. You all can see. Calls in arrear, shareholders funds, it will be deducted from subscribed capital. Income received in advance, current liability OCL. Income accrued and due on drawings, current liability OCL. Equity share capital, shareholders funds share capital. General reserve, shareholders funds reserves and surplus. Provision for expenses, current liability, short term provisions. Unpaid matured deposits and interest accrued, current liabilities OCL. Bonds, NCL, and then LTB. LTB means long term borrowings. Outstanding expenses, current liabilities, other current liabilities. Provision for doubtful debts, current liabilities, short term provisions. Unpaid dividends, current liabilities OCL, other current liabilities. Premium on redemption of shares, non-current liabilities, other long-term liabilities. Answer 7, working note पहले कर लेते हैं. C. Out of 1,90,000 equity shares, final call has not been received for 5,000 equity shares. It means full amount has been received on 1,85,000 equity shares, that is subscribed and fully paid up share capital rupees 18,50,000. Final call of rupees 2 per share has not been received on 5,000 equity shares, so amount to be shown under subscribed but not fully paid up share capital, that is rupees 40,000. बैलेंस शीट ऑफ मून लिमिटेड, इट इज एज एट, देखिए पर्टिकुलर्स, करंट ईयर अमाउंट एंड प्रीवियस ईयर अमाउंट. वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट प्रीवियस ईयर्स अमाउंट. सो सी इक्विटी एंड लाइबिलिटीज, शेयर होल्डर्स फंड, शेयर होल्डर्स फंड्स में आ जाएगा आपका 18,90,000. नोट्स टू अकाउंट्स, इट इज ऑल शोन टू यू कि कैसे आपका टोटल पैसा आया 18,90,000. फर्स्ट नंबर पर है शेयर कैपिटल 40 लाख, ये 2 लाइन से क्लोज, इट विल बी क्लोज्ड. इशूड कैपिटल 2 लाख इक्विटी शेयर्स, फिर 20 लाख हमने क्लोज किया है. सब्सक्राइब्ड कैपिटल आई आपकी 18,50,000. अभी देखिए सब्सक्राइब्ड बट नॉट फुली पेड में टोटल में से कॉल्स इन एरियर्स का पैसा माइनस हो गया, वो पैसा जो हमें रिसीव नहीं हुआ था. 18,50,000 प्लस 40,000, इट इज 18,90,000. Answer 8. Again see working note. First number out of total 56,000, 50,000 plus का 6,000 equity shares. The second and final call has not been received on 700 equity shares. It means the full amount has been received. Full amount has been, that is subscribed and fully paid में आ गया आपका 55,30,000. सेकेंड नंबर देखिए सी, इट इज ऑल द थ्योरी इज रिटर्न. थ्योरी इसलिए लिखी है कि आप लोगों को चीजें समझ में ज्यादा से आए. सेकेंड एंड फाइनल कॉल ऑफ ₹20 पर शेयर हैज नॉट बीन रिसीव्ड. 700 शेयर्स पे हमें नहीं मिला, सो द अमाउंट टू बी शोन अंडर सब्सक्राइब्ड बट नॉट फुली पेड कैपिटल जो रुपीज हैं, रुपीज रहेंगे आपके 56,000. बैलेंस शीट ऑफ अंकित लिमिटेड देखिए, पर्टिकुलर्स करंट ईयर एंड प्रीवियस ईयर. इक्विटी एंड लाइबिलिटीज, शेयर होल्डर्स फंड्स, शेयर कैपिटल में टोटल पैसा आ गया आपका 55,86,000. एंड आई होप दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम दिस नोट्स टू अकाउंट्स. टोटल आपका अथोराइज्ड कैपिटल में आ गया 1,20,00,000. इशूड में आ गया 56 लाख. सब्सक्राइब्ड एंड फुली पेड में आ गया 55,30,000. और 700 ने आपको कॉल से एरियर नहीं दिया. वट एवर द मनी इज नॉट पेड दैट इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड. 55,86,000 टोटल मनी आपकी आ जाती है. 9 number, financial statements are summarized statements of accounting data which provides information about the profitability and financial position of a business concern. The two financial statements of the companies, they are balance sheet and statement of P&L. Answer number 10. Operating cycle means the time between the acquisition of assets for processing and the realization in cash and cash equivalents. It may vary from few days to few years. If the operating cycle cannot be identified, it is assumed to have a duration of 12 months.